Good morning students. Today we are learn our fourth computer chapter of class 7, that is QBasic looping statements. Okay. In my previous lecture we learn next counter, and in this lecture we learn while went loop. Okay. So let's start students. The format of this loop statement is while condition. The format of this loop statement is while condition, went, while condition to went. Okay, the statement S between while and went is called the loop body. The statement is denoted by S between while and went is called as the loop body. Okay, the while went command continue a loop until a specified expression is false. The while and went command continue a loop until a specified expression is false. Okay, so consider the following program. A is equal to 8 while a is greater than 0. Then print a. So a is equal to 1 minus 2. Went. Then here a is greater than 0 is the expression. The output of this program will be 8, 6, 4 and 2. Following is the step-by-step descriptions of the above program. So condition true or false and what happened. Okay. So 8 is greater than 0. So it is true. Why? What happened? The loop is executed. The value of a, which is 8, gets printed on the screen. Okay. So next is 6 is greater than 0. So it is true. Why? Because the loop is executed. The value of a, which is 6. The value of a is 6 and it gets printed on the screen. So a is decreased by 2. Okay. Next is 4 is greater than 0. It is true. Why? Because the loop is executed and the value of a is 4 and it gets printed on the screen. Then a is decreased by 2. Next is 2 is greater than 0. It is true. Why? Because the loop is executed. Then the value of a is 2. It gets printed on the screen and a is decreased by 2. Okay. And last is 0 is greater than 0. It is false. Why? The loop is end. Okay. So understand students. Rahul needs to write a QBasic programs that prints number 1 to 5. Help them write the program using the while went statement. Okay, the solution is x is equals to 1 while x is less than 6. So print x and x is equals to x plus 1 went. Okay, understand students? So in your homework, write while and went loop information for one time in your notebook.